Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Trespass Skyhigh Unisex ski helmet. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Trespass Skyhigh Unisex ski helmet. This one is in the black-green colorway and in the large size. So the large size accommodates head sizes from 58 up to 62 centimeters in circumference. And taking a look around the details of the box packaging, there are a list of features and specifications. They are also listed in various languages. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. But of course, pulling out the box tab and lifting up the box flap to reveal the Trespass Skyhigh Unisex ski helmet. Let's lift out the helmet from its box packaging and just setting it back down and making sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. Let's close it back up and set it to the side. Let's set it on the left hand side of the table and just setting the helmet down so you have a full view of the contents from the box packaging. And now let's go ahead and remove the contents from the clear plastic bag, and of course making sure that we dispose or reuse this clear plastic bag thoughtfully and keeping it away from babies, children and animals. So once again, giving you a full and clear view of this Trespass Skyhigh Unisex ski helmet in the large size and in the black-green colorway. Now let's take a close-up look at the owner's manual or user manual. And let's flip it open to give you a look at the details contained within this owner's manual. So there are details in several languages and very fine print. So just flipping through to give you some idea of the details, because the text is very small. It'll take too long to really zoom in and focus on all these details. So just giving you that quick glance at the various details in respective languages. Okay, so just setting the owner's manual, I'm going to set it on the right hand side of the table. And now moving on to the helmet itself, we can see that it does have a matte black as well as a matte green finish, and being made from ABS, it does have a very solid yet lightweight protective shell. And at the back we can see that it does have a goggle retainer clip or fastener. And just continuing to take a look at the details around this helmet in its large size, we can see that there is some sticky manufacturing residue, but that can be easily cleaned off as we continue to take a look around the details of this ski helmet to give you some idea of its overall design and construction. So having the lightweight ABS hard shell does give it its protective properties, and being CE EN1077 certified. And taking a look at the inside, it does have some soft lining in grey. So we're giving you those close-up details of the helmet. So it is lightly padded. However, as you can see right there, there is a hard inner layer as well. And we can see that lining around the border of the helmet. And just giving you a look at the hang tag that comes with this helmet. And we can see that there are removable ear pads or flaps. With mesh ventilations. And of course, vents at the top front of the helmet as well. And taking a look at the chin strap with its quick release buckle. So now giving you that clearer detail as to the overall shape and construction of this Trespass Skyhigh Unisex ski helmet. So taking a look directly on the underside or inside of this helmet. And at the back you can see there is a strap at the back of the helmet as well. And let's see if we can pop off the ear flaps. As you can see, they are removable, or it is removable, and just popping that chin strap off and to the side. And right there, the ear pad or ear flap removed from the helmet. And let's pop off the other side as well, just so you have some idea. And just sliding that ear pad off. And of course, I'm making it look a lot harder than it is, having a tripod and camcorder in the way. So right there, ear pads off, as you can see right there. Nice and puffy. And lined with soft fabric as well, which seems to be, or appears to be, polyester. So just setting the ear pads back down and to the sides and giving you a look, this time in more detail with the ear pads removed. So a more thorough look inside, and you can see it is lined. However, on the underside, beneath that lining, is the hard ABS shell. And once again, giving you that full and detailed look at this ski helmet, top down, and in as many perspectives and angles as possible. so you have a full and clear view. And just shifting those ear pads around. And of course the adjustable chin strap as well. Let's buckle it back by simply clipping it back down. And let's see if we can fit the ear pads back on. Of course, we want to make sure that the straps do go through the loops on the ear pads. So simply sliding them through. And clipping them back down and on. As best we can. Of course, we want to make sure that we insert these flaps back in and down, and of course there is a proper orientation to them. So I think this flap should have been on the opposite side. Just pushing that chin strap right through, and of course trying my best to reinsert and figure out which side goes where, because I think there is a proper orientation to which the ear flaps or ear pads do go in. So a bit of experimentation is required. But nonetheless, right there, slotted in. Of course, the other stud fastener, making sure that we insert it properly into its strap or buckle right there, and of course for the other side as well. So let's do that. And there we have it. The ear pads reattach to the helmet. And remember to, of course, make sure that the chin straps are looped through. As you see, And of course it would have been a good idea to remove that hang tag as well. But nonetheless, right there, giving you a full and detailed look at this Trespass Skyhigh Unisex ski helmet. So that's the Trespass Skyhigh Unisex ski helmet. Thanks for watching and happy sporting!